Hello everybody, I've got this painting that I'm working on here that I'm putting some finishing touches on. I'm going to be putting some ripples in some water. It's calm, but I just kind of wanted a little bit of movement in this area right here. A little bit of glazing, and this painting will be finished and ready to sell. So just have to sign it over here though. But I just wanted to kind of hold my phone today and do a little video for you. Excuse me if I get too if the phone moves too much. But I just wanted you to just using a real tiny little brush and some of this light blue color. Just making some movement. See how the water is moving down through there? These are rocks going to be right here when I get through with them. It's flowing in between. Just a nice little piece right there. Lady interested in this, so I hate to kind of part with it because it's kind of got attached to it. It's such a nice piece, but that's what we do. We paint and then we move on to something else. Seems like after you paint, all the magic's gone. Gotta get my magic back. Sorry about my finger getting right in there, but let's put just a little bit of water right in here. Maybe it's some rocks right in here, and it's kind of crinkling down through there like that. I like these little waterfalls and just little bitty tiny things like that. I think it adds so much interest in your painting whenever you have these. Let's see how I got that little thing in there. See if I can hold the camera just a little bit strong. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing and hold the camera too, so. But we're getting there. Maybe the water comes down through here and it just crinkles right through there, but you can kind of see if I zoom back what we've got going on right there. Yeah. So maybe I'll put some more rocks over here on this side, and very little paint though. I'm just using like a little tiny little brush here. I don't even know what size it is. I just grabbed it and started going with it. But we have some water right there. Look at that. And we'll add some more here in a minute. Maybe the water is going to come around over through here too. So we have so it makes a little sense. We don't have just like little tiny trickles in there and not any more big water flowing through there. So we'll have more water coming through there. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of this blue. Main thing is just to take your time and not get in a hurry or anything like that, because that's where you mess up if you ain't careful. Because if you, now this canvas is dry that I'm working on. It's been dry a while. I just picked it up. I've been wanting to get back on this painting and just now being able to get there. Just kind of feel inspired to do it, so that's where we're at. You can, now that paint probably looks It probably looks white on here, but it's actually a light blue, and I'll try to adjust the color, but what I'm seeing through the camera here, it looks a little bright, so we'll see what we can do. Fix that up. Got some little splashy things right in here, this area. Yeah, that does look pretty bright. So I got to get this these rocks painted in a little more detail on. Water's not too hard. See, but I'm keeping my water pretty much level. Water lays flat, and if you want to make it come to you don't have to draw a line this way, but if you will, like this, but if you'll just work these lines in that direction, seems like it works out a little better than, you know, having that just like that straight down. It'll look a little better when I'm just kind of visualizing. I can see some shapes in here, and I'll go back and highlight these rocks and make them a little darker. So just wanted to give you a little, show you a little bit what I'm working on. Let's zoom back again so you can see. Kind of see the painting. There's a tall one, 12 by 24, and almost to the end of it. But now that water's not near as bright as that, and I'll try to get this corrected. So I'll come back and show you how I do the rocks, but let me go ahead and end this video, and I'll be working some more on it, and I'll share some more stuff with you. All right, thank you for watching. Remember, paint and make it happen.